6 tips choosing the right foundation. Number 1. Skin type. It's important to choose a foundation that is appropriate for your skin type. For example, if you have oily skin, look for a foundation that is oil-free and has a matte finish. If you have a dry skin, look for a foundation that is moisturizing and has a dewy finish. Number 2. Coverage. Consider the level of coverage you want. If you want a natural look, opt for light coverage foundation. If you need more coverage to hide blemishes or scars, choose a medium to full coverage foundations. Number 3. Shade. Choose a shade that matches your skin tone. It's always a good idea to test the foundation on your jawline and check the color in natural light to ensure it's the right match for you. Number 4. Formula. Consider the formula of the foundation. Do you prefer liquid, powder or cream? Each has its own benefits and drawbacks, so choose the formula that works best for your skin type and personal preference. Number 5. Ingredients. Check the ingredients list to ensure the foundation doesn't contain any ingredients that you are allergic or sensitive to. Number 6. Brand. Choose a reputable brand that has a good reputation for quality and customer satisfaction. So try out the best fit for your skin and let me know in the comments. For more such tips, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.